In this video, let's talk about how to fix Netflix cannot create profile. Now, there can be a few cases to this. The first thing that you need to do is ensure that you have not hit the 5 profile limit, because if you have, in this situation, you have two options. Either you need to buy an extra member slot. If you don't want to do that, then you need to remove one profile, and only then you'll be able to add in the new profile that you want. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you also need to do is verify that your subscription is not on billing hold. If your subscription is on billing hold, then what you need to do in this situation is try to re-verify your card details. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out for you, then instead of using the mobile app, if you are currently using the mobile app, try to use it and use the web browser to override this. Using this web version, you should be able to add in or create a new profile within Netflix. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.